This coal feeder breaker, model TP14016.92 meters, was specially manufactured for the Tanah Grogot project in Indonesia and is used in a coal crushing system with an annual output of 36 million tons. Our coal feeder breaker integrates the functions of feeding and crushing, and is a key connecting device between the mining system and the material conveying system. The chain plate conveyor continuously conveys the mined materials into the system, and the horizontal crushing rollers complete the crushing process simultaneously. It can easily meet the demands of large-scale production.